The Commission on Elections opens an online website where voters can find their polling place and precinct number early before the election on May 9. The poll body continues to receive reports that some of voters' status on the online precinct finder were deactivated while others have no result of their registration.
Regular naman po ako nakakaboto ng mga nakaraang botohan. Tapos bigla ngayon, nung may mga lumabas na ganito, biglang mawawala na yung pangalan yun na founder na. Kung makita ko doon, di boboto ako. Kung wala, irereklamo ko rin yun. Bakit ako wala sa regular voters naman ako.
Ex-OFW, umuwi ako year 2019. So hindi ko na alam kung saan yung presinto ko. So ngayon, since nilabas ng COMELEC yun, hinanap ko siya through online. Then upon checking dun sa lumabas na result, deactivated na daw yung status ko. So hindi na daw ako pwedeng makaboto ngayong May 9. So kaya talagang nadismaya ako.
Commissioner George Garcia explains that many voters might have not recognized their failure to vote for 2 consecutive official voting period, which includes the 2018 and 2019 elections.
Ang nagiging problema, paano yung mga botante na ang nakalagay doon deactivated? Yan po yung sinasabi natin. Ang dami mga botante nakakalimutan lang nila na hindi pala sila nakaboto ng dalawang magkasunod na eleksyon. 2018, 2019, hindi po kayo nakaboto, tanggal ang pangalan nyo, deactivated po kayo. Sorry na lang, sa sunod na lang po yung pagboto at makapagparehistro muli, makapag-reactivate mga July.
2 weeks before the election, the online precinct finder is now available for the voters. It can be accessed through the website voterverifier.comelec.gov.ph. Voters just need to fill out an online form with their complete name and place of registration. If the credentials are complete, the website will prompt the voter's polling place and precinct number. The Commission advises the public to coordinate with their local COMELEC offices if there is a need to fix from their record on the online precinct finder. Local COMELEC offices have the actual records who really voted in the previous elections. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.